If you are a young guy out there, your priority should not be toto. Your priority should not be knack. There is a stage you will get to that's toto. You'll be getting it for free. But if you fail to do the necessary things before you begin to go after toto, you go pay heavily. For you to knack good pickles, you are going to pay a whole lot of good money. I'm not talking of those roadside toto. I'm not talking of those one night stand toto. I'm talking about classic toto. But if you are a guy that look into these 5 things before you decide to go after toto, any kind of toto you want to have at all, be it the good one or be it the other way around, you will have it for free. How can you actually make a woman want you as a man? Number 1, hustle. Make money. Be wealthy. Be successful. Be well-to-do. Hustle as a young guy coming up. Don't go after toto. Don't go after big nyash. Don't go after big breast. Don't go after big oranges. Don't go after sweet toto. Make money. Be successful. Have investment that is bringing in good source of income to you. And any kind of woman, any kind of toto you want, you will have it. When you are wealthy, when you are successful, when you have money, you will see classic women. You will see women of substance willing to offer that toto for you for free. What your mates that are not successful are using money to buy, you that you are successful, that you have money, you will get it for free. That is life for you. Now, who gets money? Now, he woman the respect. Oh, that is what women really fall in love with. Just be successful. Just have money. You will see these women around you. I have seen women, 4 of them are knocking the same guy simply because the guy has money. This one will be BNyash will come. The guy will eat. Whatever you ask them to do, that is what they will do. When a man has money, any kind of knocking position you want the woman to practice with you, she will do it. Even though you want the one from the, she will give it to you because now your money they talk. No woman want to identify or no woman want to associate with a man that is not successful. Do you hear me? Don't be after toto when you are not yet financially stable. Because if you are not successful, if you are not financially stable, my darling, any good toto out there, you are going to pay heavily for it. For that not to happen, work on yourself first, guy. Build yourself first. Have all the necessary things that you need to have in place as a young guy coming up before you begin to chase toto. Even by the time you have all those things in places, now toto go to chase you, no be you go to chase toto. So have that at the back of your mind. Number 2, don't be lazy. Okay? Women don't like men that are lazy. Normally, by mandate as a man, you are the head. You are the one to provide for a woman. So, the head of a home or a provider should not be lazy. You feel me? Don't be lazy as a man. Also, be hardworking. Okay? When your mates are hustling, when your mates are working, don't be lazy around. Don't be chasing after toto. Don't be sleeping around. There is time for everything. As I'm advising you people, I'm also advising myself. You feel me? When you are not lazy, you are industrious, you are hardworking. You will get any kind of woman you want at all. You feel me? Both those ones that are successful, women of substance, women that are well-to-do, successful women of your cartel. Those are the kind of women you will roll with. Number 3, know how to knack. Be good in the other room. Anything that has to do with nakulolo, be good at it. Okay? Because when you are successful, you are hardworking, you know, you have hustle, you have everything in place. Waiting remain. But you know, be firewood. You got to knack. You got to knack to ease off the stress, you know, the tension of the hard day work. So as a king out there, in all you're doing, be successful, have money, don't be lazy, but also know how to knack. Women love it when you give it to them so good. You feel me? When you are a man that you have that shower vibes, you are good down there. When you handle any woman in the room, she will keep on screaming your name all through. Women flog themselves around those kind of men. I have seen situations whereby the woman marry a very successful man. It is the husband, best friend, and the gate man are the one actually attacking this woman. According to the story, they say the gate man does most of the work. The gate man is the one eating the better part of the toto. They said if the gate man actually wash plates, he said this woman will be screaming so loud. So what am I trying to say? Even though you are a successful businessman or you are very successful, you have money, you have everything a woman wants, also be good in the other room. Women actually love men with a show vibe. Men that knows how to do it. Men that know every corner, every skills that has to do with Nakululu. That is why we are here to educate you couples. Lack of good knacking relationship and marriages has ruined so many relationships and so many homes today. So what am I trying to tell you? Even though you are successful, women love money. Women love men that can actually protect them. But women also love men that can knack them well to submission. That can knack them well to the point of them saying, oh my goodness, I see a good man that actually services me. Women need men that actually knows how to service that engine. No matter how big or no matter how small the woman engine is, let it be that whenever you handle it, she will testify to the goodness of God. Number 4, be confident in yourself. Know your worth. Know what you stand for. Be bold. Women love men that are confident. You are confident if you are bold, if you know your worth. Any kind of woman at all, you will get her. The last one on my list is be up and doing. Okay, be up and doing, be social, know things that women want and things that women do not want. Be a romantic man, be sexy, be everything a woman wants. And trust me, if those 5 things I listed in this video, if you have it as a young guy or as a king out there, every woman will want to have you. You will be able to get any woman of your choice. Remember I said, make sure you hustle, work hard, make money. In all you're getting, make sure you have money. Make sure you are successful. Make sure you are well to do. Number 2, don't be lazy. Number 3, know how to knack. Be a good knacker. You feel me? Everything that has to do with things of the other room, be good at it. Women love that. You know, women love men that knows much about that. Let me tell you, most women will be saying if they get a vibe when it comes to things of the other room. Some women will be saying men looking at you that stood on the pour water, that stood on the scratch, due to the kind of society that we are into, that we know that will not openly tell you, but corner stylishly that will be showing it to you. So number 4, be confident. And lastly, be up and doing, be social, know things that women want and things that women do not want. And trust me, my king, you will be the luckiest man any woman will want to be with. And you will be able to get any kind of woman of your choice. Be classic, women of substance, women that are also well-to-do, successful women like yourself. You will be able to have them in your life. My wish is to see you successful, is to see you have every good thing of this life, including when it comes to things of the other. My wish is for you to be good at it. Likewise, success wise, you should be good. I'm also advising myself as I'm advising you people. So guys, this actually brings us to the end of this video, and I know that you've learned. All I need from you right now is for you to like the video, drop a beautiful comment, share, so that algorithm can push the video to more people. Loyal returning subscriber, my faithful viewer, just know that I love you all from the bottom of my heart. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscription bell to join the family. Turn your notification bell on to get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you in my next lecture. Bye for now.